Yeah, welcome guys to this new stream on my channel. Mr. McC, what's up, bro? I think. Oh, what did I do? Let me just do this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mr. McC very hyped in the chat, I guess. Oh, why do I? No, stop. Oh, I think I'm hearing. Okay, that's not good. What the fuck? Okay, leave that window here. It's 1 month ago. I know. I had a lot of things to do, which is not very good for like the YouTube channel. So yeah, it's a long time since I streamed, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, so today the plan is we are making a graphics library in C++ because I have a school project to do, which is making a game and advertising that game. And for that I need to make the game first. So yeah, for making a game I'm making a graphics library, which is pretty cool, I guess. So I think let's start. Let's just start. Okay, so I have like things set up already. Like I have the GitHub repository. It's named GLPlate. Like it's a template for GL. So GLPlate, I guess, is a very cool name because I'm very cool. And yeah, so the project setup is done because I don't want to bore you with that. So we can straight up go coding and stuff. And yeah. Okay, so like that. Okay, that's the defines header. I think just putting type defs here, u8, type def unsigned short u16, like this. I think it's very weird to see me streaming again because like maybe someone thought I'm not anymore on YouTube or something because I'm pretty inactive. Yeah. Okay, let's do signed here. And yeah, I'm doing that in Visual Studio because I couldn't get Clang, I don't know how to spell it, yeah. I couldn't get the compiler to work in Visual Studio. I couldn't get it to build a lib file. Or what was the problem? I don't know anymore. Definitely, I'm doing that in Visual Studio because yeah, I think I'm doing that for a school project and not for like hurting my head. So I think yeah, I can do it in Visual Studio too. Okay. I have a meme. Send it, bro. Send it on Discord or in chat. Okay, we do type def unsigned int render ID for rendering. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I have a okay, we can do type def int key code and type def int mouse code. We can use that. Okay. Display properties for the display. Let's say let's first include the defines. And by the way, I'm not I don't have code on my second monitor from which I wired and just writing it on the fly. So yeah. Okay, like this, u32 width and height. Okay, let's make it like that. Width and height. We need a const char pointer title. For the window title we need a few things. We need bool vsync is equal to false. Okay, let's initialize all of that. Is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Vsync is false. What's full screen start? Let's say start. Full screen is equal to false. Everything set to false. What can we? Okay, x and y position, so x pos, y pos is equal to 0, and it's equal to 0. Okay, let's copy that line with this. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So let's do a constructor. Display properties is equal to default. Like that. And display properties with a, let's say, const sharp pointer title. Okay, I think that's like the order in which we define the variables needs to be the same order in which we define the parameters. So yeah, I think that's pretty good like that. Okay, so title, u32 width, u32 height, u32 xpos, u32 ypos. Okay, that's set that to default. I think default of xpos was 0 and ypos is 30 for like a window which is like completely in a corner like this. So let's default that to this. Okay, then bool vsync equal to true. Bool start full screen is equal to false by default. Okay, so let's do this. Colon title width. Yeah, we can call like, obviously as you can see, like that's height, and that's the same variable name, but C++ and the 7CVC compiler is smart enough to figure out what we are typing, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so vsync with vsync start full screen with start full screen like that, and just like this. Okay, I think we don't need more. We don't need a destructor because it's all stack allocated. So I think it destructs. I can't talk. I think it destructs everything itself. Okay, that's not what I wanted. No, like this. Nice. Okay. Now we do a class display. Public, private. Okay. So definitely we have a display properties and props. And we have a display constructor. I'm wondering if we should do everything header only. I think that's the best thing. So let's don't have a source folder. I think that's pretty smart. Okay, so display, just const display properties. No. Properties like this, and we need a default constructor, so let's do that. Yeah, let's define it because we have uninitialized variables, so let's do mprops is equal to display properties, the default constructor, which does nothing. And now we need to include GFW, which is one of the dependencies of this library for windowing. Okay, so GFW, no, not where to run, GFW, window pointer, backend handle. So that's like the handle of the GFW backend, which we need to instantiate it. Like this. Okay, technically we could, I think we could do that, yeah, and do that with null pointer because it's not a static variable, so we can not implement this and just say it's equal to default. That's pretty nice. Okay. Now we need a few methods. We need a void update. like I want a very simple API to use, so yeah, we definitely need a inline display properties. Yeah, we can return that by const reference. Display properties gets properties const, which just returns props, because we need a data for that, because I think it's not that nice to just have the properties inaccessible. Okay, we need a inline GFW, and yeah, we only support GFW as a windowing backend. We don't support like Linux API or Window API. I think Linux API is X11. We don't support that, but GFW in itself supports Win API and X11, so we kind of do. But like in my engine I'm currently working on, I'm also have the option to use Win API for windowing and not only GFW. And Win API and OpenGL setup is pretty nasty, and I don't want to do that, because like the Win API setup is so fucking weird. So let's just use GFW, which is also very platform independent, because it runs on Linux, Mac, and Windows, as I know. Okay, so we need a get backend handle, which is also const, and it returns backend handle. Nice. Okay, we definitely need a inline bool get close requested, which is const, which just returns if the window should be closed. So we return GFW window should close backend handle. Okay, in private we definitely need a void in mid, like that. What could we need? Let me peek on my engine source code. We need a lot of things, set with and this kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, yeah, we need a lot of things. Okay, we need definitely a void set position. Like this. Set position. We could do set position X and Y. I don't know. I don't really like that. So let's do set position. Or we could implement all of them. Okay, a YouTube link. Bro, the ad is definitely, oh my god. I love ads. I'm so glad I didn't install a ad blocker. Yeah, like do the Rickroll no ads thing. Yeah. Yeah. Didn't get me, bro. But yeah, I'm just like protected by God. How do I add? Oh, I hate everything. No. Yeah, like this. No. Yeah, like that. Okay, so I have my stream here and high quality like this. No. Yes. Didn't get me. Why is it so weird? I can't see the chat right. Okay. So set position, which is not const, but we need a u32 expose and u32 bypass. set width and set height, obviously, but let's do set position x, u32 x pos, void set position y, u32 y pos. That's just like for the user. Obviously, you could do set position, yeah, but I think set position x and y is very it's easier. The API is simpler because you could do like display dot set position, and then x pos, like you wanted to set the x position, then you do like 670 or something, and y you don't want to change that. You can do display dot get properties dot height. But that's very ugly, so let's don't do that. Okay. No. Yeah. Very much no. But I think yes. Didn't get me, bro. Yeah. Okay. So let's do set height. Set width. Let's first do set size. Set size, u32 width, u32 height. And set width, just u32 width. Void set height, u32 height. Like this. Nice, okay, we need a space here. Then we do set title, void set title, becomes char pointer title, like that. What did I do? Oh. No. Like that. Then void set resizable. Oh, resizable, that's a parameter I missed. So bool resizable is equal to false. Okay, we do bool resizable is equal to true here. True. And then we do resizable. Like that. Okay, so we do set resizable. Bool resizable. Like this. Yeah. Set position. Do we have set position? Yeah, we have set position. Get better. Okay, so that's kind of it. We need a few more things, which are like we have a double absolute time. Oh. Yeah, I see. Oh. Yeah, that's not very good. I hope you win. I'm definitely sure you win. Let's go, bro. I hate everything. Okay. Okay, like this. Nice. Okay, absolute time, which is 0 at the beginning, obviously. And absolute time just represents the time that has passed since the window has opened. Yeah. I'm wondering if we should. I think it's not like a good thing for non-debug reasons to always increment this, because like the variable is getting bigger and bigger. I think we should do a like a parameter if we should. Okay, so we'll update time or something is equal to false, because I don't want this to increase. Okay, I think. Okay, I think I should do that in my engine too, because I'm not doing that, which is not that good. Yeah. Okay. What?
What the hell? What the hell?
Bro, why? Just why? Okay. Yeah, so we have a parameter for that, which I need to add in my engine too, because I'm incrementing the time. Well, that's not very good. Okay. Set resize bin. Now we need a getter for so inline double gets absolute time, which is const and returns absolute time. No. Absolute time like this. Yeah. Okay, I think that is for like the how do you say it? Like the skeleton of this class. Okay, let's start with this constructor, which is doing init. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everything what it's doing. Okay, in init. Oh, we need a search system. Oh, and we need a logging system. Oh god, okay, so let's do that, because we need to assert on some stuff. Yeah. Okay, in vendor we need a new vendor folder, so ddef calmar. I have speedlog in there, so let's steal that. So in vendor, I'll just copy that. Refresh. SPDlog, okay, so here, I think I hate it. No. Okay, so let's quickly do that. It's an exe for now. Why didn't why can't I initial array. I hate Visual Studio so much. I need additional include directories, but oh, I'm doing C++ 14. Don't know if I want to do that. Oh, why? I think it's because I don't have a C++ file in here. That's such a dumb thing. Okay, so let's create a C++ file then. Main. Yeah. Okay, so let's do a new one. Solution dir. Project name, projection, what the fuck? Project name / vendor / spdlog / include. Like this, okay, so I think we need to include the source files to our project. What the fuck? What is this? Is there anything? Yeah. But like, what's the actual? Oh god. Which is okay, we can. I hate Visual Studio. Microsoft just can't develop good software. I hate this. Okay. Okay, add to project. What? Please define. Ah, okay. Ah, yeah, I know. Okay, so we don't need to add this. Yeah, we don't need to add it. Nice. But I think the include path is not there. I hope. SPLog include. Okay, so let's close up the vendor folder, and we can delete this. And in display.h, let's test if we can include it. So include spd-log. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's do a logging thing. Logging. Nash-apt class logging. Oh, let's say logger. Oh, logging. Oh, logger. Yeah. Public and private. And that includes, like, that's this class. I've written this class like so much, so many times. So I think I need to do a OpenGL library to not like always write the same stuff over and over again. So yeah, spd-log/things std out color things.h like this. Okay, and then let's static inline static, or let's say static inline std shared pointer. Okay, we need to include that. Probably spd-log already includes it, but yeah. std shared pointer of spd-log logger, and that's returned by const reference get logger const. And then we have like a str. We can't do it const because it's a static. And we have a static. I don't know if it's possible to define static things without a CVP file. Maybe we can do yeah, let me try something. Okay, let's do std shared pointer of spd-log logger logger. And now let's do std shared pointer spd-log logger logger logger. Yeah, okay. Seems to work. Okay, so yeah, that's this, and this returns logger. And we have a static void init, which does stuff. I don't know the exact code for that. Bro, Mr. Maxi, please stop spamming YouTube links in the chat. You're a moderator. Maybe I should turn the moderator status off. Like, which moderator spams YouTube links in the chat? Okay, so let me see how that exactly works. Where is it? Core logging. Okay, it sets a pattern and does stuff. Okay, like this. Yeah. We do GL plate. Yeah. Okay, maybe we can have like two instances, one for the client and one for the internal. Yeah. Mr. XC, it's not like just saying. Okay, so let's yeah, internal logger, and that's like the client logger, and we do an internal and client. internal and client. Okay, internal logger, and that's like in a JPlate internal. Yeah, the other thing is JPlate client. Okay, nice. Internal. Like that, and that's internal. And that's client. And that returns the client logger. Nice, okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the logging class. Yeah. Okay, so hash define and JPlate. Yeah, let's do GLplate trace and dot for like the VA arguments, like variadic, and let's do glpt logger get internal logger trace VA args. Okay, that should work. Okay, I missed a bit. Internal. Like this. VA args. Trace. I think the next is info, then it's one. There it's error and critical. Critical, no, that's there's a debug. Critical. Okay, so that's JPlate debug. Also, let's not say JPlate, let's say GLPT. Because it's easier to write. Debug, that's one, that's error. No, that's info. That's one, that's error. And critical, yeah. Nice, okay. Copy it and do like glpt trace. Can we do this? Yeah, I think that's the best solution because I want those names for like actual logging where the client wants to log stuff. Okay, what was that? Okay, get client logger, get client logger, get client logger, get client logger, get client logger. Nice. Okay, that's it for the logging class. Now we need the assertion class. That's not a class, that's a header file. So asserts. Hash define glpt assert. Like the normal assert just takes in a condition and does if the condition is met, then it does nothing, and else it does something. And for that we need to include logging. And else it does glpt critical assertion failed, and like 0, which is like the condition. In file and then 1 online. Okay, so right in here we have to check that, and we have hash cont font, and then it's file and line. Okay. GAP assert GPT assert message, which also takes in a message to log. Let's do a \n and like the message, which is 3. Let's do it like this. And that's MSG. Nice. Yeah, okay, that's like the only forms of asserts that we need, I guess. So that's pretty nice. Nice, okay. Yeah, now we can begin on this stuff. I think we need to call the logging init somewhere, so let's call that in the display init, I guess, because initializing this display is like initializing the library, I guess, because yeah. Maybe let's do something like yeah, let's just initialize it in the display, because I think that's the best. But you can't log something without display then, which is not that nice. Okay, I think I have an idea, which is just gpt, or let's do gplate.h, and let's do hpp for all of them, because they're all header files in which things are defined. hpp. Okay, that's .hpp. Okay, so in here, let's include everything that the client would need, like core asserts, core logging first. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't care. Stop. Okay. Okay. Hash includes a gplate internal defines. That's like, and obviously we also need display. Maybe we could do that in like alphabetic order. Okay, let me just quickly be right back. Yeah, I'm here again. Perfect. Okay. So what I wanted to do is do a namespace JPT and then like a static void init, which should initialize a little library. Yeah, I think that's a thing that we can do, because yeah, but it automatically includes everything. But yeah, it's okay, Nice, okay. So in static void init, we do logging. Log init. Yeah, okay. So you need to call a JPT init to initialize the library. Okay. So in display. Yeah, here's like the init method. Okay, so let's start. Now we can include asserts gapplet slash core slash asserts. In init we have like a glpt assert. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. That's always internal, so like this should be like that, and this should be like that. Yeah. Okay. So let's do JPT assert message on GFW init. And if GFW init is not working, we do, obviously, we assert that GFW init is working, and if it's not working, we do failed to initialize GFW library. Okay, obviously we need a destructor here. I forgot that. Not like to like this sign. I call it not anymore. I don't know why, but something in my head is weird, and I call this sign not anymore. So I say, like, if I do like, I say in my head, I say not anymore display. I don't know why, but it is like that. Yeah, random fact, I know. Yeah, okay, so let's do void shutdown as well, and call it here shutdown. Okay, and in display, let's do props properties like this. Shutdown just does GFW terminate and GFW destroy window backend handle. Okay, let's do it like this. It makes more sense. Okay, after we initialize GFW, we need to initialize the window, which is just GFW create window and a thing. Set resizable is a thing that we can't do after the init, which is not that nice, but yeah, okay. So let's do GFW. No, if backend handle. So if it was initialized, we say glpt1 try to set resizable flag of display after creation, and as we do return. So down here is we just do props.resizable is equal to resizable. Nice, okay. So here we say GFW window hint, GFW resizable, and the value is props.resizable. Yeah. Nice. Okay. GFW create window. Width is mprops dot width, mprops dot height, mprops dot title. Okay. Do we allow a window to have like a size and width and size of 0? I think yes. Why not? Yeah, why shouldn't we allow that? Title. Okay, monitor is props dot start full screen. If yes, we do GFW get primary monitor, and else we do null pointer. And the share could, yeah, technically we could do that in the props share, but yeah, I don't care. It even rhymes. Perfect. Okay. And after that we do GPT assert message on mBackend handle and failed to create failed to create a GFW window handle. I think that's an appropriate message. Yeah. Okay, after that we need to set the context of OpenGL. What does that? Like, where's the source code of that? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Refresh the stream because something weird is going on. Okay. Make context current, yeah, and then we need to initialize that, which is our OpenGL loading library. So let's do include glad/glad.h, and we do gpt assert message on glad load gl loader, glad load proc gfw gets proc address, and if that fails, we do fail to initialize that library like this. Okay, and after we initialize glad, that's pretty much it. Yeah, we need to do what do we need to do? Okay, let me peek. Window GFW. Yeah, we need GFW set. Okay, window pass and swap interval. Okay, so GFW window GFW set window pos backend handle props dot width and props dot props dot xpos and props ypos. Yeah, like this. And then we have GFW swap interval props dot vsync. That's just turning on vsync, like toggling vsync. Yeah, that's it. Nice. For the first setup, I'd say. Yeah. Okay, set title and this kind of stuff. Let's implement this now. Do we call shutdown? We do. Okay, so GFW. First, let's do mprops.title is equal to title, and then we do GFW set window title of mBackend handle to the given title. Then mprops.height is equal to height, and GFW set window size. Mbackend handle. The width is mprops dot width and this is height. Like this. Yeah, let's not copy that. Mprops dot width is equal to width, and GFW set window size, backend handle, props dot no, that's width, and props dot height, because the height should stay the same. Okay, we do props dot width is equal to width, and props dot height is equal to height. Nice, okay, and then it's GFW set window pos, backend handle, oh, I'm dumb. No, I'm not dumb. I'm just a little bit dumb. Set window size, width and height. Nice, okay. Set position Y is just mprops.xpos, .ypos obviously, is equal to ypos, and GFW sets window size, and backend handle. No, I'm just not very smart. Set window pos off, and backend handle to, yeah, okay, so xpos is mprops.xpos, and ypos is ypos. Okay, let's copy it, let's see if it's faster. X, just xpos, and do it like this. Okay, yeah, we can theoretically copy that, ypos, and props dot, yeah, like this. Update is GFW poly events. We need that, and GFW swap buffers on and backend handle. Nice. Okay, I think that's the window class implemented. Let's say. Let's test it out, I guess. So let's include jplate slash glplate. Yeah, just jplate slash glplate. It should work. But it doesn't pick it up. Core slash. No, just jplate slash glplate.hpp. Should work. But it doesn't. Refresh. It's here. Ah no, it's not on glplate. Yeah. Okay. Nice. So let's do glpt init, and let's test it by saying like yeah, we have a lot of glp colons here, but yeah, I don't really care. Okay, let's maybe do a glplate here and do glpt like this, and glplate just as glplate init, and then we can do using namespace glpt, and then it's display. Display is equal to display display properties. Title is glplate test. Then width is 1920 by 1080. Okay, and the rest can stay like this. Okay, then we have that, and we do while not display that close requested. We do display that update. Okay, nice. So let's test it. Obviously. Okay. I need to include SPD-Doc in here, I guess. Yeah. That's not very cool. Maybe I can fix that by doing this. No. What? What? No fucking heck! Oh god. Core. That's core. Defines as internal. GA plate. No, 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 stop! Just fucking stop. GA plate that ATP is in here. And let's do that. Okay guys, I'll be right back.